Hi everyone, this is Felix and welcome back to Make It Easy. In today's video, I'll show you how to find duplicates using VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. Let's dive in and get started. And that's it! You've successfully used VLOOKUP to find duplicates in Google Sheets. I hope this method makes your workflow easier and more efficient. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.